Aakash, shall we start?
Yes.
Okay. What is this?
Books.
What is this?
Duster.
Say it properly.
Duster.
What is this?
Notebook.
Okay. Keep your hands on the objects. Good. What do you see on your right hand side? What do you see on your right hand side?
Notebook.
Okay. What do you see on your left hand side?
Pencil box.
Oh, yeah, very good. Where is the pencil box?
Right. Left hand side.
Where is the notebook?
Right hand side.
Good job. Wait, Ako.
Mm.
Wait, Aakash.
1 second.
Hold your hands. What is this?
Pencil.
What is this?
Marker.
What is this?
Eraser.
Okay, keep your hands on the objects. Good job. What is on your left hand side?
Pencil.
What is on your right hand side?
Eraser.
Okay. Where is the eraser? Where is the eraser?
Right hand side.
Where is the pencil?
Left hand side.
Good job, Aakash. That's all.